everybody, I'm Akshaya and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a push-it. It looks like this. So, let's get started. So, let me tell you the materials we'll be needing to make our push-it. So, first I'm going to need 4 identical blocks, but it doesn't need to be the same color. 6 identical blocks which do not need to be the same color. 2 identical blocks which need to be the same color. 2 identical blocks which need to be the same color. 4 identical blocks which need to be the same color. Now the important part. This block is the most important thing. It's a spring. You can find it in pens. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to take 2 blocks and put them together like this, shown. Now, crossing it, we're going to put a block. So it's like this block on the top, put these blocks together. But then a identical block on the other side, so it turns like this. Next thing you have to do is take one of these blocks, put it on one side, and put the other one on the opposite side. Next, you have to take a block like this and put it on the other side where it has a place so you can fit 2 blocks. Now we'll be getting something like this. Now we'll take a block like this, as you can see. If you see the place where the 3 blocks are connecting, 1, 2, 3, we're going to put it over here. Put the opposite on the other side. Now put a block like this in the middle where there is an empty space. Now you're taking a block like this, put it like this, and put the one on the opposite side as we were doing before. Now you can put the last 2 blocks, which look like this, in the sides like this. Now this is the important part. First, we're gonna pick a block. We're gonna put it in the bottom, face this way. Not like this. Not the correct way like we normally put blocks. Not like this. We're gonna flip it the opposite side and put it in. Now, we'll be taking the spring and put it inside the other block. Like, do you see the hole here? There's a hole. So we're gonna put it inside the hole. Now. Now, carefully, you're gonna put it inside. And make sure this block gets into the other block circle. So let me show you an example. So it has to go like this. Okay, now that we did that, let's see what our product is. A push-it! Let me show you some decorations that I want to add. So I'm going to take this block. So it's one of these circle blocks piled up on another circle block. And a little dot block on a block which looks like this. And I'm going to put this block in the center, which is right there. So it comes like this. I'm going to put this block on the push block. See, we're going to push on this exact block. So I'm going to put this on that exact block. Next, I'll be taking a piece which is like this. We're taking a piece like this, putting it on the side which looks like this. I'm going to have another identical piece. Now we're gonna put one piece on one side. Well, where you want to put it. Put it on the other side. So it looks like this. I'm adding some other blocks which I like. So I made this little castle-like thing, and I'm gonna put it in the back. And my sister here wants to test it. She wants to test the block. Push. Do you like it? Say yes.
Yes,
You really like it. Yay!
I find it.
Now we're gonna put these two blocks, well, where I want them. I'm gonna put them right here in my secret spot. Now I'm gonna have this block which looks like this. I'm gonna put it right here. Please know that you do not need to do it exactly like me. Make your own design and make your push it the best way you want it to be. Push. Thank you for watching my video.